In a world where dead zones and sluggish public Wi-Fi can kill your productivity, having a reliable internet connection on the go isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. In this video, we're going to unbox Netgear Nighthawk M6 Mobile Hotspot Router, the latest unlocked 5G mobile router promising gigabit speeds, Wi-Fi 6, and a touchscreen. Let's get started. Alright, let's get this open. The packaging is clean and compact. Let's unbox this. Inside the box, you get quick user guide, M6 mobile router itself and battery. First impressions? It is surprisingly dense. It has a nice weight to it. Underneath the device, we have the accessories. You get a USB-C to USB-A, a wall adapter, charging cable, and some quick start guides. Nothing too fancy here, but it's all you need to get started. Let's open the back cover. Underneath, that is the nano SIM card slot. Take out battery from pack cover and installed inside M6 router properly. Put back cover and close it properly, and now let's power on. Press power button from top of hotspot router. Setup is straightforward. You pop in the SIM, power it on, and use the screen to set your SSID and password. Or you can download the Netgear mobile app. On the top, you'll find the power button and on the bottom C-type charging socket, a gigabit Ethernet port. This is huge. You can plug in a laptop for the most stable wired connection. Under these flaps, you have TS9 antenna ports. If you are in a rural area with weak signal, you can screw in an external antenna to boost signal. Inside, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X62 modem, which supports sub-6 GHz 5G, promising speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second. It also broadcasts a powerful Wi-Fi 6 signal capable of handling up to 32 devices at once. 1 gigabit Ethernet port and 2.4-inch touchscreen. As for battery life, Netgear rates this at up to 13 hours. In mixed use with a few devices connected, I found it easily lasts a full workday. First, it is the ultimate travel router. Instead of paying for expensive hotel Wi-Fi or using an unsecured public network, you have your own private 5G bubble. Second, it is an excellent backup internet solution. If your cable goes out, this device can keep your smart home devices and your work computer online seamlessly. However, it is not perfect. The biggest con is the price. This is a premium device with a premium cost. Also, while the battery life is good, pushing heavy data over 5G can make it run warm to the touch. It's not a deal breaker, but something to note. It is, without a doubt, one of the most powerful and versatile 5G hotspots on the market right now. The combination of an unlocked modem, a convenient touchscreen, Wi-Fi 6, and that Ethernet port makes it a Swiss Army knife for connectivity. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.